Hello student, welcome to Make Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the different examination which is classing on the same date and all these issue which examination you need to choose. All these details we will discuss in this video, so you need to stay at the end of the video. If you have any type of query, do mention in the comment box. So let's begin with the video. Recently, few months ago, different organization has released the vacancy like BARC, SSCJ, DFCIL, NRL, and once the COVID is normalized and cases are reduced as per the daily basis, they start conducting the examination as per the priority of vacancies in companies. So right now the same examination like NRL, BARC, DFCIL and SSCJ means all this examination is classing on one day. Few of the candidates are facing this issue. So at that time, around that 27th of September, having this issue. So if you are facing with these four options, like which one I need to give, so just check which preparation you have done thoroughly. Like if you done with the NRL, because NRL having a non-technical and technical section both. Similarly for DFCCIL, if you have a technical and non-technical balance, and if you have enough practice like PSU examinations and other state examination, if you have already done with that, then I'll suggest you need to go with the NRL or DFCCIL. If you have thoroughly and deeply solved all the examples of GATE and ESE with the 2 marks as well as 1 marks of GATE questions, then you definitely go with the BARC, because BARC having a 100 question, if you solve the 60 question, definitely you will select in that examination. So if you have a thoroughly and solve more maximum question of GATE twice, thrice, and if you have a at least one time solve with the ESE question, and if you have a better idea, give at least 2 mock tests before going to BARC examination, then I'll suggest go for BARC other than DFCL NRL, because BARC have only qualifying or cutoff marks, but in case of DFCCIL and NRL having merit. So if you lie in that merit, then you will definitely select in that post. But in case of NRL, number of posts are less as compared to DFCCIL. If you have option like DFCCIL and NRL, then I'll suggest go with the DFCCIL, because number of posts are too high as compared to NRL. Even though NRL package is at around 18 lakh, 17 lakh, but still you go with the DFCCIL, because like separation of these two examination, mostly go with the highest rating with DFCCIL exam. And if you compare with the DFCCIL, BARC and NRL, if your preparation is very good for GATE, all the questions and ESE, and if you have not practiced PSU examination and basics one-liner question, then you go with the BARC, not for NRL and DFCCIL. And if you have all the four, NRL, BARC, DFCCIL, SSCJ mains examination, which is happening on 27th of September, then in that case, if you have well prepared mains paper pattern like SSCJ, then you go with that. Otherwise, select in these 3 options as well only, like NRL, BARC and DFCCIL. And if you have any other doubt related to this or any other question which you do not discuss in this video, then do mention in a comment box. Also give your feedback in a comment box. If you are like our video, definitely subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.